Welcome to Alam La Popo YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss cognitive load and safety, managing operator stress during peak seasonal warehouse fulfillment shifts. Before continuing, please subscribe first. Peak season in 2026 pushes warehouse operations to extreme speed and pressure. Automation accelerates workflows beyond natural human reaction limits. Operators must process massive information in seconds. Cognitive saturation occurs before any physical accident happens. The brain silently reaches its processing limit under pressure. At this point, decision-making speed begins to collapse. Milliseconds determine whether safety is maintained or lost. Missed signals become the first sign of danger. High performance quickly turns into high-risk behavior. Recognizing early warning signs is critical to prevention. Modern warehouses flood operators with constant sensory input. Heads-up displays add visual pressure during operations. Haptic feedback competes for attention during critical tasks. Audible alerts continuously demand attention. Eventually, alerts become indistinguishable noise. Critical sounds get masked by excessive signals. The brain loses its ability to prioritize information. Pedal errors emerge as a key symptom of overload. Missed rack clearances become more frequent. These are not skill failures, but cognitive breakdowns. Communication overload adds unnecessary mental strain. Constant radio chatter disrupts focus during operations. Tiered communication filters essential from non-essential messages. Only urgent messages should interrupt active maneuvers. Non-urgent updates shift to visual. Only systems. This reduces auditory competition in high-risk zones. The sterile cockpit rule eliminates distractions. Only critical communication is allowed during complex maneuvers. Recovery must begin before cognitive failure occurs. Traditional brake schedules fail during peak stress periods. Micro breaks provide targeted cognitive relief. Short pauses can reset mental processing capacity. Fatigue tracking enables precise intervention timing. Data-driven breaks outperform fixed schedules. Quiet zones reduce sensory overload instantly. Lowering cortisol restores focus and reaction speed. Supervisors must detect subtle fatigue signals early. Lock indicates dangerous cognitive overload. Delayed reactions are a critical warning sign. Immediate tactical pauses prevent escalation. Recovery is part of operational performance. Ignoring fatigue leads to catastrophic outcomes. Cognitive safety must be embedded into operations. Real-time biometrics provide critical insight. AI systems balance workload across teams. Overloaded operators are reassigned instantly. Mental bandwidth becomes a key safety metric. Safety shifts from reactive to proactive systems. Predictive monitoring prevents incidents before they occur. Supervisors act before risk becomes visible. Team awareness strengthens collective safety. Operators are trained to recognize their own limits. Reporting fatigue becomes part of the culture. No stigma exists around taking recovery breaks. Long-term efficiency grows from cognitive stability. Healthy operators deliver consistent results. Reduced errors lead to safer environments. Peak season pressure will never disappear, but cognitive overload can be controlled. The brain is the most critical safety system. Protecting it protects the entire operation. Every signal must have a purpose. Every break must have an impact. Every decision must be supported by clarity. Cognitive safety defines modern warehouse excellence. Ignoring it risks total system failure. Managing it ensures sustainable success. The future of safety is cognitive awareness. Balance is the ultimate performance advantage. Safety begins inside the operator's mind, and it must be protected at all costs. This is how accidents are truly prevented. This is how efficiency is sustained. This is how lives are protected. Cognitive safety is not optional. It is the foundation of modern warehouse survival,